Hello friends, myself Saurabh Kapoor and you are watching my channel called Healing the Stressful World. As we discussed in my previous video that meditation is very useful for relieve stress, and stress starts from the brain but it has many reasons to grow. In the upcoming videos, I will share the different topics by which we can easily heal the stress. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is yoga. Yoga is another tool that can repair stress easily. Yoga plays an important role for ease the stress. Yoga involves the breathing exercise that force you to pay attention to your breath. So guys, let's get started. Our first asana is Sukhasana, known as the ease asan. Firstly, sit down with the legs stretched straight in front of you. If you are performing this Sukhasana at the first time, you need two pillows with you. Now bend your right leg at your knees like this. Make it as close as you can. Now bend your left knee and slowly place it on your right thigh. Make sure that your both knees touches the ground. If you are not able to do that, you can take the pillows for resting your knee. Your back should be straight. Your neck should be straight. Rest your arm over the knees and breathe normally. Inhale. Wait for a second and exhale. Again, inhale. Wait for a second, then exhale. Be relaxed. Close your eyes. And again, breathe. Inhale. Hold for a second. Exhale. You can perform this asana for at least 30 seconds to 5 minutes in a day. Firstly, sit on your heels on a yoga mat or on a floor. Either keep your knees together or apart as you feel comfortable. And straight up your hands and deep forward bend on the floor and relax your hand like this. Take a deep breath, inhale, hold for a second and exhale. Second and exhale. Feel relaxed. this asana, you have to stand on one leg with the other leg bent and place it on the other leg thigh, and the hands are extended overhead with the palm touching. Breathe, inhale, hold for a second and exhale. Just for 30 seconds, you can hold it like this. Focus on your mind, focus on your foot. Now, change it here with the other leg. All these asana are the basics asans which we perform today. Every asan has its own benefit. The best time to perform these asans are in the early morning. I will bring some more important asanas for you in my further videos. If you like my video, please press the like button and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Your little supports keep me motivating. Be safe, stay healthy, take care. Thank you.